So guys, it's John from Jalen Wellington bringing you a quick little video. We have a couple of frequently asked questions that we get a lot, and it comes to the point of prepping the vehicles for install. Sometimes people ask us if we cover panels, dash, any of the stuff like that, electronics and stuff. So just want to show you a quick video. This is an M5 2021 M5 competition that we're working on right now. And as you guys can see, we try to cover up as much as possible. We have painter's tape with the plastic going all the way across and up to the top to cover. This is I believe this is like suede or Alcantara in this car, so we got to be extra careful with water getting on any panels. So this is one way of protecting everything. And then he's also going with the front windshield as well. So again, we have the painter's tape with the plastic going across. We have our super thick towels all the way across over electronics, and then like I said, here's the rest of it to protect the Alcantara. And we also have our soak shield rope running all the way across to absorb moisture. And let's go over to the panels. They're also covered as well to protect it from getting any moisture on them. So there you guys, quick little video. BMW M5 competition. This is a $100,000 plus car, so gotta be careful when working on these cars. Definitely we take our time, so we do very, very low volume, 1 to 2 cars a day, but we make sure we take our time and everything gets prepped accordingly. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it.